Hi, it's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Today I'm working with a 4x12 black canvas that I've put black paint on top of. And I'm going to do a flip cup. Here's the flip cup already. It has all the paints in it. But I'll tell you what paints I used. I used Artist Loft White, Artist Loft Yellow, Deco Art Primary Red, Basics Cadmium Orange, Craft Smart Mint Green, Apple Barrel Gloss, Deco Art Dioxazine Purple. Is that how you say it?
Dioxazine.
And Artist Loft Cobalt Blue. Okay, what I'm going to do is, these are all colors that John had mixed up for a previous painting that he did. So I'm going to use the rest up. I'm going to do the flip cup. I'm hopefully going to start down here and then move it along.
Wrong end.
Huh? What am I doing wrong?
Flat. Let it center a bit. See, trying to get it in the camera here for you. So I guess you gotta probably move it a little bit, then pull it or so your stuff doesn't run off the end there.
Yeah.
I'm guessing.
I'm just going to wait a few
I'm not
because
sure.
there's a lot of stuff there.
I don't usually do any of these flip cup things, so
Yeah, and this one was so full.
it's full of flip cups.
It was all the way full because you use way too much paint for everything.
I always use better more than less. Better more.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready. Ooh, nice. Oh, all done.
Yeah,
Put an eye in it, you got a whale.
everything's going off.
It's okay.
Ooh, still got quite a bit in there too. Want me to pour it?
Yeah, pour it right down there. Let it drip, not on the thing, on the side. Let it drip down the side. Don't let it go on the top. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, but that's...
Yep, that's perfect. Looks like a tail.
You want me to leave it that way? All right.
So I can see. Oh, that looks nice. Look at all those pretty cells you have. Okay, looks like the paddle my grandmother used to use on me when I was a kid.
Ah, really?
Whack me. Oh, look at all this nice stuff down here.
I know. I see some bubbles.
Oh, you sure do. Up here, there's a lot of them up here too, I think, in the dark. I don't think you got any of them. There seems to be a lot more in there too, and they keep popping up. Oh, neat. You know, I'd call this done.
You're for real?
Yeah, I like that.
Well, it was
You could maybe tilt this way and let some of this run off the front here. Or you could take scoop some of this yellow and put it in there and then let it run off the front. Or you could just tilt it forward. Maybe just tilt it forward.
Yeah, the blue's not that pretty.
Yeah, just run that up. You're getting red cells popping up now in there. Oh, look at this on the side. Nice
Yeah.
red drips.
What do you think? You don't think I should do the whole thing? Pour the rest in there and...
It's your project there, you do what you want, but if it was me, I'd be happy with that. Because I don't ever get any cells, so you still got a lot of bubbles still in it too, so you can see them from here. And these down here.
Yeah, but what is it?
It's a... What is it? What is it? What is anything? Accidental. I don't know. Do what you want. Don't listen to me.
I mean, they aren't very pretty cells, actually.
They are?
They aren't.
Well, go ahead, moving around. I wouldn't, but you would, so. But, you know, I haven't painted a good painting in 3 days, so.
What are you doing? You're breathing.
I'm breathing. Yeah. Okay, I'll stop breathing.
But look, there's nice green color in there.
Done?
Yeah, it's nothing to write home about. But I should do the white one, scoop all that up and just do a scoop.
What are you doing?
Okay, guys. This is done. Just used up some leftover paint. Yeah, nothing to write home about. Probably will be covered again soon. But not every day can be a perfect day. So please subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends. Give us a thumbs up. Check out our other paintings on eBay, username John Him. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thank you for watching. Be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye.